I've got 4 high cost but high return renovations for your sad, tired looking condo. 1. Flooring. Upgrading laminate to hardwood or swapping out your old, damaged, kind of worn looking hardwood for new planks would make a big difference not only in the look and feel of your condo, but also the value as well. And you have the added bonus of savvy buyers knowing that swapping out flooring in a condo is a big pain in the butt, and so you'd get extra value for providing that convenience factor for them. 2. Completely redoing the kitchen. New cabinet boxes, new doors, soft close hinges, backsplash, countertops, the works. But a word of warning, you're only doing this if the investment makes sense for your building and your condo. Also, you're either completely redoing everything else, all the other rooms and the rest of the condo, or the kitchen is the last thing to do in line because you've upgraded everything else in the recent years. 3, and staying in the kitchen, if you don't have nice looking stainless steel appliances and you've modernized the rest of the kitchen, you'll get a solid return by buying a new kitchen appliance package. If you do have stainless steel appliances, but they're a bit older, you could maybe swap them out, but I think your best return is when you upgrade from the older looking all white or all black appliances to a modern finish like stainless steel. 4, consider doing a total bathroom renovation, provided that you heed the same warning that I gave about doing a total kitchen renovation as well. Retile the shower wall and the floor, replace the shower fixture, maybe replace the tub, new bathroom vanity, mirror and light fixture, and you'll have a completely new bathroom that will attract buyers. I'm Jamie Harnish, Toronto Real Estate Navigator with Bosley Real Estate. I want to thank you so much for your time. Appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you again. Take care.